Do you remember Donald Trump was ignored by Nobel Committee? But now he is embraced by Israel, and not quietly, not symbolically, but with Israel's highest civilian honor. You're watching Times XP. My name is Rithi Athri, and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has dropped a political bombshell. Well, Donald Trump will receive the Israel Prize, the most prestigious honor the country has ever given. This award is usually meant for scientists, thinkers, in fact, cultural icons, national heroes, not foreign leaders, not sitting presidents. Until now, for the very first time in nearly 80 years, the Israel Prize goes to a non Israeli and to serving US president. Netanyahu openly admitted it. Israel has chosen to break convention here. That particular line alone tells you that this is deliberate, right? This is strategic. But why Trump? Let's talk about that. Netanyahu says that Trump made tremendous contribution to Israel and the Jewish people. Now, what does that actually mean? So here's the key move. Trump recognized Jerusalem as Israel's capital, shifted the US embassy from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem, recognized Israel's control over the Golan Heights, strongly backed Israel at the United Nations, pushed the Abraham Accord, reshaping the Middle East ties. These were decisions previous US presidents avoided, but Trump didn't. Now look at the timing here, this matters. The announcement came just after Trump and Netanyahu met at Mar-a-Lago, Florida, shortly after Trump was passed over for the Nobel Peace Prize. So while Europe stayed silent, Israel spoke loudly. This is Israel sending a clear message to Washington, to the world, and to Trump himself. We remember who stood with us. We reward loyalty. We don't wait for global approvals. And make no mistakes here, this is not just about past, right? It's about future too. Israel is looking at the political winds in the US and preparing accordingly. By honoring Trump now, Netanyahu is reinforcing a relationship that could shape the future US-Israel policy. So what about the Nobel Prize snub? Well, Trump has long complained that the other leaders received the Nobel Prize for far less efforts. His Middle East deals were ignored, politics, not peace, decides the prize here. Israel's most effective counters that particular narrative. No Nobel, so here's something bigger and closer to home. So in the end, what does this tell us? Well, global honors are deeply political. Alliances matter more than applause, and diplomacy is no longer subtle. This is not about medals anymore, this is about alignment and who stands where when it counts. In the end, Donald Trump may not have a Nobel Peace Prize, but he now has something unprecedented. Israel's top civilian honor given by a country that changed its own rules to do so. And when rules are bent at this level, it's never just respect, right? It is strategy. So stay tuned with Story because it is just getting spicier.